Dear friends, many of us have a very strong desire to become proficient in communication. We take efforts to use the English language comfortably in spoken as well as in written communication. In one of my talks, which I have recently uploaded in the YouTube about mastering communication skills, I have dealt with the ways and means through which one could become fluent in the use of the English language. So we take efforts to master the communication skills of the English language. We also succeed in our efforts. But the problem I would like to point out here is that even those who are fluent in the use of the English language seem to ignore the sounds of the language, seem to ignore the pronunciation of the English language. At this juncture, I would like to tell you that the sounds of the language, that the pronunciation of the English language is equally important. Hence, I would like to introduce the pronunciation of many of the words which we use very often in our everyday communication. I have also told you that the best way to master the sounds of the English language is to listen to the English language used by the native speakers or by somebody who uses the English language or who speaks in English, or whose pronunciation is as good as that of the native speakers. And today, I would like to introduce the pronunciation of the 12 months of the year. You know well that you pronounce many of these months wrongly. This is all because you haven't been introduced to the exact pronunciation of the 12 months of the year. Or even if you have been introduced to the sounds of the year, you might have been, lazy, or you might not have given importance to the sounds of the months of the language. I mean the English language. The first month is January. January. The second month is February. Here, what you have to note is that the second month, February, is pronounced in 4 different ways. One is February, the second one is February, the third one is February, and the last one is February. And you do have the freedom to use any one of these pronunciations of the second month of the year, February. The third month is March. 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 The fourth month is April. 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 The fifth one is May. 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 The next month is June. 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 The next month is July. July. So what you have to note in the pronunciation of July is that the stress for the month of July falls on the second syllable. Don't pronounce it as July, right? This is how we have been pronouncing July so far. So pronounce it as July, placing the stress, placing the accent on the second syllable of the word. So the right pronunciation of the word is July. The next month is August. 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 The next month is September. September. Here also the accent falls on timber. September. September. The 10th month is October. 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 The next month is November. November. The accent falls on the second syllable, November. And the last month is December. The accent here, the stress here falls on the second syllable of the word December. December. In the beginning, your pronunciation may seem artificial, but you don't have to worry about your pronunciation being artificial, because in the beginning you are conscious of the sounds of the months of the year. So your pronunciation may seem to be artificial. But when you continue to use these months in your communication over a period of time, you will be surprised to know that your pronunciation will become very natural, will become pleasing, and your pronunciation of the months of the year will be appreciated by your friends, your relatives, and all those who listen to your use of the English language. Thank you very much.